Alright, today we're starting out by running to Walmart. And this, look at that. Look at that new ride. But yeah, we gotta run to Wally World or Home Depot, probably Home Depot, to pick up some self-tappers and what the hell would you even call those? Like hose hold downs, or I think they're used for like wires or whatever. But yeah, some hold downs, so we're gonna go do that. Alright, today we are going to run we're going to run fuel line from the fuel rail down to the back. We're also going to run it off of the flex fuel sensor there to the back as well. So yeah, let's start that right now. So first step is put this fucker on, and then when you look in there, there's like the threads end, and you're gonna want to have it pushed up against there. And I don't know, I found with the nylon ones it's a lot easier to do. I haven't done the braided steel, stainless steel lines yet, but for the nylon ones, if you use like a heat gun on the end, to get the frays down. A lot of people use like the electrical tape method or whatever. Paul saw like a thing, or I think it was Boosted Shades, that used the some sort of chisel for cutting the line. I find using a grinder is like way easier. You just cut with the grinder and it's usually pretty good. It doesn't usually fray. Most people wrap the electrical tape around it. I don't. If you're like super anal about not scuffing up your AN lines, get the aluminum. They got like aluminum wrenches or some shit like that. Then they won't scuff up your things here. But luckily we don't give a shit here on Garageless. Plus this is being reused. This is like a line I had on the Fiero that's getting reused, so it's already fucked. But yeah, at least for AN6 it's 3/4 inch wrench. Use these two of them, you tighten it down until they're snug. Almost there. And because we cut this thing a little bit short, but it worked out in the end. So yeah, that's that on there. And then this one has it's basically like AN6, like it adapts straight to a straight, just a coupler, I guess you'd call it. So using that, we'll be able to coupler it up to the gas tank, and I'll show you that here. Yeah, so all I did was used some fuel, like high pressure fuel, hose clamps right here. I got 2 of them because it can never be too safe. It's not even a high pressure line anyhow, so it doesn't really matter. But you know, you can never be too safe with fuel. And then yeah, this will just go right into the other one over there, and it'll be awesome. So whether this is okay, I don't know. Never done with AN line, so we'll find out. If it leaks, it leaks. Then we all die. So, all right, we'll keep going. It looks like Paul's over there working on flipping the throttle body over, or I don't even know, like the throttle body. I don't know. He's basically flipping it over so that way the mechanism that you attach the cable to is on the right side, the passenger side of the throttle body. So, all right, let's keep going. All right, so we got to run to Paul's house, grab HP tuners, so that way I'm gonna try and test the Fiero to make sure the ECM and all that shit's working. Try and hook up HP tuners to the laptop, make sure it's all working. This guy. All right, we are at, can you see it? Taco Bell, like usual. So grab some Taco Bell. We got HP tuners in the back seat. All right, and then Paul's over here looking at wheels. We were just spent like 10 minutes in Taco Bell's parking lot looking at fucking wheels for his new caddy here. Gotta get that good. But all right, let's go eat. All right, we just finished eating. Now we're going to, oh shit, I gotta grab the fucking, just everything. Everything's everywhere. We're gonna hook up the ECM in the engine bay, hook it up to right here. Hook that up, throw some fuses in, and hope we don't cause an electrical fire, and hopefully HP tuners hooks right up. No problems. That would be amazing. So let's get this done. Alright, at first we thought we were screwed. We went through, we checked all the stuff that we're supposed to be getting power to. Like we checked power to the ECM and all that shit. We were getting power back there. We checked the data port for continuity and it beeped, so we were good there. And it ended up being that I had like fucking 10 of them HP tuner scanners open on my tablet. So after that, we got to plug back in, and then boom, it connected. So that's awesome. So that means the ECM and everything is all wired up correctly. So that means it's one less thing for me to fucking worry about. So that's awesome. Get this thing unplugged. Plug the battery in because I've been trying to maintain it because I'm sure I fucked it up. But yeah, that's probably going to be it for this one. Just because we did a lot. Fuel system's plumbed up on the Conquest. The only thing we need to do is wait for the fuel pump to come. Looks like we're going to be using his stock fuel tank. He ordered an inline fuel pump. Found one for like $30 straight from China. So, or is it in
California?
It's in China.
Little China.
Little China. So that should be here like next week or whatever. So hopefully in the next video you'll see us either probably wiring that up if it makes it here this week, and then we'll also maybe we'll start wiring on his car. I can maybe throughout the week I'll try and make another video on the Fiero, wire up the headlights and shit. I gotta figure out the wiring setup with those high beams and stuff, so we'll figure that one out. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.